Okay, gonna test out the Kraken. Um, I've got one very basic node application that you can send it any JavaScript and any data values, and it just runs and responds. So I have one called node1.js. It attaches to MeshBlue, the global mesh network. So imagine this is one of a million nodes. It's got its own UUID and a token, so it'll attach and run. I have node 2 that has a different UUID and a token, so it attaches, authenticates, and runs. So this one's 91D blah blah blah. This one's DEA. Then I have a kernel application that's basically going to walk through and calculate. It's not going to do any calculations. It's going to walk through and send a JavaScript function, basically a formula I found that's going to calculate pi one iteration at a time. There's the formula, and it's going to oscillate between the two UUIDs. So it's going to send one UUID a function to run, and then it's going to send, and it's going to get the result back, add it to pi, and then run it on the another one. So let me run that, show you what that is, kernel pi. So he has to authenticate real quick with his own UUID. And then you'll see momentarily, there he goes. So he's connected. And you'll see he's going to just start oscillating between the two UUIDs, sending them requests. So there you go. You can just watch this. You'll see if the from UUID is changing between the DEA node and the 91 node. And you'll see their responses for each calculation is coming back in the result. And you'll see pi down here. Every iteration it's getting closer to the actual value of pi, and when you let this run you'll see it's e to the 7th now, and the more we let this run you'll see it'll start increasing, e to the 8th, e to the 9th, the 10th. You let it run forever, but if you flip through each of these clients you'll see that he's already through 380, 400 iterations, and this one is also getting different data values, and now we're on e to the 8th. You can just let this run. I had it running to e to the 12th a while ago. Just a good demonstration where this is just using MeshBlue, global mesh network, sending different formulas and data values to different nodes on the mesh network for computation.